Hi friends, welcome to online classes. Today we are going to discuss about the topic is integers. Integers is the first chapter of 7th class. Before going to start the integers, we have discussed about the topic is introduction of natural numbers and whole numbers. Then next concept is comparing of integers. Then how to add and how to subtract of the integers. See, in the number system, first we have to discuss about the natural numbers. The set of natural numbers denoted by n. The set of natural numbers denoted by n. Natural numbers, the meaning of natural numbers is countable numbers are called natural numbers. Natural numbers are starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on, so on. Natural numbers are denoted by n. Then natural numbers are starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, so on, so on. It means the smallest natural number is 1, the greatest natural number undefined, because it means we can't say that the smallest natural number is 1, the greatest natural number undefined, or we can't find. The next, in the number system, the next one is whole numbers. Whole numbers are denoted by W. The meaning of whole numbers, together with 0, all the natural numbers. All the natural numbers together with 0 are called whole numbers. Whole numbers denoted by W. Whole numbers are starts from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on, so on. See the difference between the natural numbers and whole numbers. Natural numbers are countable numbers. It starts from 1. The smallest natural number is 1. Whole numbers means all the natural numbers together with 0 are called whole numbers. It is denoted by W. The smallest whole number is 0 and the largest whole number undefined. This we cannot, in these whole numbers also we cannot find which is the greatest whole number, but the smallest whole number is 0. Next, we are going to discuss about the integers by using these natural numbers and whole numbers. The set of integers. So first we have to learn what is the meaning of integers. The meaning of integers, see, the negative numbers and the positive numbers including with 0. The negative numbers and positive numbers including with 0 are called integers. Integers are represented by the letter Z or I. See, what is the meaning of negative numbers? Negative numbers means that is along with minus symbol. Minus Already we know that it is there in 6th class also. Then plus 2, plus 3, plus 4. These are positive numbers. So the meaning of integers is the combination of negative numbers and positive numbers along with 0 are called integers. The set of integers are denoted by z or I. So then z is equal -3, -2, -1, comma 0, 1, 2, 3, so and so. See, here negative numbers are endless and positive numbers also endless. In this we cannot find that which is the smallest integers and which is the greatest integers. It means the smallest integer undefined and also the greatest integer is also undefined. See, how to understand? I is equal -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, so and so. This we can write 0, comma plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 3. Plus or minus 1 means plus 1 and minus 1. Plus or minus 2 means plus 2 and minus 2. Plus 2 is the positive integer, minus 2 is the negative integers. Then the properties of integers. Already we know that the smallest integer is undefined and the greatest integer is also undefined. So the properties of integers. See, in negative, all the negative integers are less than 0. All the positive integers are greater than 0. All the negative integers are less than 0. All the positive integers are greater than 0. Suppose -100 and 0. -100 and 0, these two are integers. Now compare the integers. Comparison of integer means we have to check which is the greatest integer and which is the smallest integer. See, -100 and plus -100 and 0. 0 is neither negative and positive. So here -100 is the smallest integer, 0 is the greatest integers, because all the negative integers are less than 0, all the positive integers are greater than 0. So how to write this one? -100 is less than 0 or 0 is greater than -100. Next, -1000 and plus 99. -1000 is a negative integer, plus 99 is a positive integer. So compare these two integers. Here 1000, before the 1000 minus symbol is there, before this 99 plus symbol is there. So here -1000 is less than plus 99 according to the properties of integers. So how to write this? -1000 is less than 99 or plus 99 is greater than -1000. According to the properties of integers, all the negative integers are less than 0 and all the negative integers are less than positive integers. example of -2 plus 3 minus 5 plus 6 0. These are given the integers. Now we are going to how to plot the integers on the number line. See, 0 is wise between minus negative integers and positive integers. Left side of the 0 negative integers and right side of the 0 positive integers. Plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 and plus 6 plus 7. Now we have to plot the integers -2 plus 3 minus 5 plus 6 and 0. First two is -2 is here. Second is plus 3. Third one is -5. Then fourth one is plus 6. Then fifth one is 0. First, on the number line we have to write the left side of the 0. We have to write all the negative integers. Right side of the 0 we have to write all the positive integers. Then which integers are we have to plot on the number line. Then you circle with the pen. -2 plus 3 minus 5 plus 6 and 0. Already in 6th class we discussed how to add integers and subtractions of integers on the number by using the number line. But in this class we have to learn how to do the addition and subtraction of integers without using number line. See that next concept is the addition and subtraction of integers. First we are going to learn addition of integers. Here I am taking 3 different types of examples. First one is plus 35 and plus 65. Second is minus 35 and plus 40. Third one is minus 550 and then minus 620. See, in these 3 types of integers, in the first example I have taken 2 positive integers. This is related with common addition. Second is negative integer and positive integer. Third one is 2 also negative integers. First one plus 35, addition means plus 65. See here 35 plus 65. You know very well this is equal to plus 100. It means the sum of 2 two positive integers is equal positive integers. Second is minus 35 plus 40. No need to write the plus symbol before that 40. Without plus or with plus, it is positive integer only. We can read plus 40 or 40. See, here I am going to add this negative integers minus 35 with positive integers 40. See, minus 35 plus 40 minus 35. Here we are subtracting 35 from 40. Here we got that 40 minus 35 is 5. After getting the answer, we have to put the symbol. Which symbol we have to put there? First we have to compare these two integers. Which is the largest integer? Before the largest integer, which symbol is there? We have to write the symbol beside which one we are getting the result. So 40 minus 35, here we got that answer is 5. Here 40 is the largest integer. Before that the 40 plus is there. So here we have to write plus 5. It means minus 35 plus 40 is equal plus 5. Third type of addition, minus 550 and minus 620. See, in this problem they gave two also negative integers, so we have to add these two negative integers. In the first one we took there two positive integers, we got positive integer. In the second example we have taken one negative integers and positive integers. We got here positive integers, sometimes it will get negative integer also. Here we have taken two also negative integers. First we have to add this without symbol beside giving the numbers, that is 550 and 620. Excluding minus symbols, first we have to take the numbers are 550 and 620. These two numbers we have to add first. 0 plus 0 0, 5 plus 2 is 7, 5 plus 6 is 11. So excluding minus symbol, we got that answer is 1170. We know that property of integers, the sum of two negative integers. When we are going to add the two negative integers, the answer will be get negative integers. While we are adding 550 and 620, we got the answer is 1170. So here two also having the minus symbol. So we have to put that before the 1170 is minus symbol. It means the sum of two negative integers is equal negative integers. Okay students, today we discuss about the topics are introduction of natural numbers, whole numbers and integers. The next is comparing of integers. Comparing means we have to check whether which is the largest integer and smallest integers. The next one is addition and subtraction of integers by using the properties. The property The sum of negative integer and positive integer is positive integers, or sometimes it will become negative integers. The sum of two negative integers is equal to negative integers. These are the concepts of today's class. The next class we are going to discuss about the multiplication and division of integers.